Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I've got a great video. It's going to help out any type of e-commerce entrepreneur. I'm going to teach you how to track your e-commerce profits and return on investment and the need to know your numbers at all times. It's super important. And there's an old saying in any business, really. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. And this is totally true in e-commerce. And this is really because you need to be able to make data-driven decisions in order to effectively grow your business. What does that mean? Well, basically it means we need to look at the data, look at the numbers in order for us to make decisions in terms of things like what products to list or how much ad spend should we dedicate towards a product? Should we scale something? Should we cut something? When it comes to products, when it comes to ads and marketing strategy and really your overall direction, you need to know your profitability. And you need to know this on an overall basis and on a per product basis. So the idea that, being able to have access to your numbers and accurate reporting on your numbers, very, very important. And the crazy part about e-commerce platforms is there's no built-in way to do this, not with Shopify, not with any other e-commerce platform. And a lot of people use spreadsheets, right? This is how I used to do it. And spreadsheets can introduce a lot of human error, right? Maybe you enter in the wrong number, or maybe you're outsourcing this to someone, and then it adds extra manual workload where you'll have to either pay for that with your time or pay for someone else's time, and still introducing human error can totally throw off your numbers and really just negate the entire purpose of doing this. So spreadsheets, not really the best way to do it. What we need is an app that's going to integrate with Shopify and integrate with e-commerce platforms and different data points to give us the information and the numbers that we need whenever we want them. And the way to do that, and I'm going to show you this, is the BeProfit app. And you see the link beprofit.co, beprofit.co. You see the link in the description as well. Really the number one way in order to accurately track your numbers, your profit, your ROI in any e-commerce platform. So let's jump over the shoulder. You're looking at beprofit.co. And again, you see the link directly below this video. And I'm going to show you the inside of BeProfit. But you get a 15% off discount if you use my code SENIOR15, CENER 15. You see that in the description as well. It's going to get you a 15% off discount on here. But let's jump into the inside of BeProfit, and I'll show you the dashboard. And this is what you're going to see when you log into your BeProfit dashboard. When you have everything set up, you're going to start to see all of the different numbers that are really important to your business. And you see here in this daily snapshot, you're taking a look at different data portions or different data sources that affect your overall profit. And remember, one of the first things that we talked about in this video, you need to know your numbers at all times. We're seeing our ad spend, we're seeing our gross profit, we're seeing our return on ad spend, we're seeing our orders. All of this information is pulled in from different sources. Let's say you're using Shopify, for example, right? We're going to be able to pull in all of the different e-commerce and advertising and marketing related information to give you this daily snapshot. It says right here, get a quick overview of all your key sales metrics. So as soon as you log into BeProfit, they give you that daily snapshot so you know exactly what's going on right now. And as we scroll down here, we have other sections in here, of course, profits, right? And everything is segmented by date, so we could, of course, change the date ranges and things like this. But we're going to be able to see our net and gross profits, taking into consideration all of the different data sources that we have, including cost, right? So this isn't just about advertising. We're going to be able to see our net profits, including the product cost. All of this is configurable inside of your admin here in the app. So net profit, gross profit, total sales, cost of goods sold, COGS, right? How much did the products that you're selling cost? How much are you spending on ad spend? What's your return on ad spend? Other expenses, shipping, transaction fees. Again, all this stuff is configured and pulled in, refunds pulled in from your e-commerce platform, even taxes. So we have a complete breakdown, and they do a great job visually of showing your breakdown of, in this case, about 16% gross profit. You see the ad spend, the COGS, the transaction fees, all of these different numbers being pulled in from all the different sources. And we also have the ability to look at this on a per product basis, which is really important. Taking a look at most profitable, least profitable, best sellers. Again, pulling in the information that we need. The number of sales, the net sales, the profit margins, orders per day, right? And all the visuals to allow you to kind of just scroll through your dashboard on a daily basis and have a full understanding of what's going on. We could drill down further into the marketing section. We see, of course, our total ad spend and our ROAS, return on ad spend, our cost per click, our overall conversion rate, and we have individual platform data as well. So this is really powerful. At a glance, you could say, okay, which ad network is performing best for me? Am I getting the best return from Facebook, or am I getting it from TikTok? Where am I getting my most orders? Right? Where am I getting my cheapest cost per click, my highest conversion rate? We're able to see all of this. And you see there's some great training over here. For example, how to use UTM-based tagging to really unlock all of the deep tracking that is fully integrated into this type of e-commerce tracking. So we have the ability literally to track revenue over here, and sales, and conversion rate, and ROAS on a per platform basis. So really all about making those better data-driven decisions. The same can be said for orders. We could take a look at orders on an individual basis, and you see the type of stats that we can actually look at. Obviously, we have the overall information regarding our shipping and net sales and gross profits, things like that. But on an individual order basis, right, how much did the customer pay? How much is the shipping and handling, the tax, the fees? How much were the total cost of orders, cost of goods sold? How much did the products cost? What's your margin? And of course, how much did you profit, right? Per order information. We could also take a look at traffic info as well to see a little bit more about how we acquired that customer. So really start to finish, giving us the full story. As we click into here, we could then see the individual products that they ordered. But we have a full kind of suite of information here on the orders page to really give us a lot of insights, again, not just overall, but on a per order basis. Here's the P&L report, the profit and loss report. We'll break this down by quarter and by year. And here we kind of see, and this is more of an accounting type paperwork, where we just kind of see at a glance all of the top level information on a quarterly basis. How much money did we make? How much did we pay in fees and returns and COGS? Where did we spend the most in terms of ad spend, marketing? What's our gross profits? Things like that. What other things cost us money? Our expenses, and what is our operating income and net profit, right? Your traditional accounting things just get spit out over here in the P&L report. Another cool analytics section is the cohort analysis. Really, really cool. Breaks down here with a lot of different kind of insight, talking about acquiring new customers and customer acquisition cost and lifetime value, and showing different revenue related expectations that you can see. This really helps you kind of understand what is a customer worth, which is really, really a super valuable piece of information. And everything is fully configurable. We're looking over here in the cost of goods sold section, showing your products, allowing you to enter in the cost of goods sold. So again, we're going to have data on everything. How much did the customer pay? How much did we spend in ads? How much did the product cost? What were the fees? All that breaking down so we could actually have our true profit numbers. And that's really, again, the whole goal of this entire exercise. We want to have access to our numbers. We want them to be accurate, and we want to make decisions based on that data. So that's BeProfit, beprofit.co. You see the link directly below this video. Again, make sure you use the discount code CENER15, CENER15. It's going to get you 15% off the BeProfit suite here, and I highly recommend it. You saw exactly what it's going to do for your business, give you access to all your data, all your numbers, and allow you to make those smart decisions based on what's going on with your profits, your ROAS, your ad spend, everything right inside of the BeProfit dashboard. So again, take a look at the link directly below this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I know you're going to like BeProfit, and I'll talk to you real soon.